Got 2020 Jeep Gladiator, a limited sport in the beautiful Sting Gray. Man, it's a highly popular color. I want to bring you guys another little shot of this beast. 3-inch Fabtech suspension kit. We got Fox dual steering stabilizers up front. We're rolling on 37, 13.5, 20 Toyo Open Country MT, the mud terrain tire. It's a pretty simple build. We just lifted wheels and tire, step bar, keep it clean and simple, and you can kind of go crazy from there if you want to. Hostile in 20 by 12, which gives it that really nice, bold, wide stance. You know, a very aggressive negative offset. Really just gives it a bold look. It had a lot of hits on this vehicle. Sold a lot from this as well, as far as people seeing this, wanting a little bit different wheel or tire combo, or maybe a different color. But we've had a lot of hits on this vehicle, and I think it just looks killer. You know, I'm spoiled on the Gladiators now because we saw them for so long stock, and then started seeing a lot of them modified. Really do like the way they turn out, customized, and you know, they meet every need now. You can haul the trash out, and you can still be lifted and go crawling on the weekend if you'd like to. Definitely would love to get into more gear swaps and doing more components to give it even more off-road capabilities. That's what we're all about, pushing the envelope right here at Akins, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Willies, Weiner, Georgia.